Welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. If you're new, I'm Maggie and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make a lemon bundt cake with lemon icing. It's so delicious, and then to make it even better, we top it with some fresh raspberries. So I bought mine fresh and then I froze them for like 2 hours to give them some structure, I guess, to make them a little bit tougher, and then I topped the bundt cake with them. You don't have to do that. I just decided that it would be better for like picture purposes, so it doesn't really make a difference, but I wanted to share it with you. It's really easy, it's delicious. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy it.